What the fuck is a goddamn meniscus tear? A fucking meniscus tear is a common piece of shit sports injury where stupid cartilage called the fuck-ass meniscus, a C-shaped piece of shit cartilage in the knee, is torn. This stupid fucking fuck-ass injury can be caused from twisting or rotating the fucking knee too quickly, and rehabilitation can take 3 to 6 long-ass fucking months. How are you gonna throw that gawk 3000 without your knees? Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What's the fucking most common cause of stomach ulcers? Helicobacter pylori is a fucked-ass strain of bacteria that attacks the stomach lining when that shit gets in the fucking body and the stomach loses its goddamn gastric mucosa layer that protects its bitch ass from the stomach acid. The fucking stomach wall is also protected by a fucking membrane known as the mucosa, but when that bitch gets removed, it can fuck you up with gastritis and stomach ulcers. You can also get stomach ulcers from fucking alcohol, smoking, and fucking stress among other things, so please take care of your bitch ass self. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fuck is fucking scoliosis? Scoliosis is a goddamn sideways curvature of the fucking spine, which can hurt like a bitch and limit your fucking mobility. Fucking genetics, fucking neuromuscular conditions, and fucking idiopathic origins are some common causes of scoliosis. Some risk factors for developing this shit include fucking family history, age and gender, with goddamn females being the most prone. Fucking uneven hip or shoulder alignment, shitty ass back pain, and changes in posture are common symptoms of this fucked up shit. There's not really shit you can do to prevent scoliosis, but it's not the worst thing in the world. Like, fuck, you were already born ugly. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your shitty body. What the actual fucking shit is a bulging disc? When a goddamn piece of shit intervertebral disc in the spine fucking shifts, it is caused by a fucking bulging fucking disc. These hoe-ass discs hold the spinal columns the fuck apart and act as a cushion between them motherfuckers. This fucking reduces fucking friction while also making room for the stupid nerves to pass through. This shit will get swollen as fuck, pinching and agitating the bitch-ass nerves. That'll definitely hurt like a motherfucker, giving you shooting pains, fucking numbness, and trouble performing your regular goddamn movements. So don't fucking do it, please. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your shit-ass body. What the actual fucking shit is a bulging disc? When a goddamn piece of shit intervertebral disc in the spine fucking shifts, it is caused by a fucking bulging fucking disc. These hoe-ass discs hold the spinal columns the fuck apart and act as a cushion between them motherfuckers. This fucking reduces fucking friction while also making room for the stupid nerves to pass through. This shit will get swollen as fuck, pinching and agitating the bitch-ass nerves. That'll definitely hurt like a motherfucker, giving you shooting pains, fucking numbness, and trouble performing your regular goddamn movements. So don't fucking do it, please. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your shit-ass body. Why the fuck does getting hit in the balls hurt so goddamn bad? So when your dumb ass injures your hand, the fucking nerves send pain signals to your hoe-ass brain, making you feel that pain only in that specific area. But the thing is, the balls are the most pussy part of the fucking body, taking a shit ton more impact because of the lack of bones and muscles. So when them motherfuckers get hit by some shit, the 4,000 plus fucking nerves in your testicles send a fucking ass ton of pain signals to your brain, resulting in you crying on your knees like a bitch. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fuck is PCOS? Fucking fucked ass PCOS is one of the most common causes of female infertility. Some of the main symptoms include a shitty raise in androgen levels, fucking polycystic ovaries, and irregular goddamn periods. The exact fucking cause of PCOS is unknown, but women who got fucked by this shit have increased levels of a hormone called LH, or the luteinizing hormone. These elevated hormone levels make the bitch-ass ovaries produce a fuck ton of testosterone, which can cause growth in facial and body hair, acne, and even fucking hair loss. The fucking witch doctor concoction of LH and testosterone, combined with low levels of FSH, impact the ovaries' ability to develop goddamn eggs. These fuck little immature eggs can accumulate in the ovaries and form cysts that you see as hoe-ass dark circles on ultrasound scans. Fortunately, PCOS usually isn't diagnosed until a woman experiences infertility, which is arguably the worst fucking part. If God said fuck you and gave you PCOS, do your best to maintain a healthy lifestyle and ask your doctor about other management options so you can be the bad bitch that you are. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up but amazing body. What the fucking shit is psoriasis? It's when your dumbass immune system gets confused and starts waging war on your own goddamn skin. Instead of protecting you from germs or viruses like it's supposed to, it's like, hey, fuck these specific bitch-ass skin cells. Normally, skin takes about a month to grow and die off, but in psoriasis, your skin cells are on meth, regenerating every few days like they're in a goddamn rush to be useless. That rapid-fire bullshit causes layers of skin to stack up like bad Jenga, leading to red, flaky, itchy patches that show up on your elbows, knees, scalp, or wherever your body wants to be a little bitch that day. So yeah, it's not just dry skin, it's your own body being a dick to itself. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fucking shit is a sprained ankle? That's when your dumbass foot decides to roll the wrong fucking way, stretching or straight up tearing the ligaments holding your fucking ankle together. At this point, you'll most likely scream, fuck! And that bitch will become inflamed as fucking hell. Having difficulty walking, you'll be dragging your fucking pregnant-looking ankle around until the swelling goes down and your fibers and fucking ligaments join back together like you're some sort of fucking superhero. If you want your sprained to fucking ankle to heal faster, make sure to sit your lazy ass down and hit that shit with a compression bandage and fucking ice. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. Why the fuck does your nose get stuffy? When you have a stupid ass piece of shit cold, the fucking blood vessels in your nose swell the fuck up, causing the airways that your dumbass uses to breathe to become more narrow. Your stupid body's fucking immune system starts producing more gross ass slimy mucus to trap the germs that made you sick, but those nasty fucking germ boogers give you a stuffy nose. So wash your hands and quit touching your ugly face so much during cold season. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fucking shit is dandruff? You ever scratch your head and suddenly it's snowing like your scalp just nutted out a blizzard of dead-ass skin flakes? That's fucking dandruff, my dude. Dandruff is what happens when a bitch-ass fungus named Malassezia sets up shop on your scalp like it owns the damn place. It slurps up your greasy-ass scalp oil and shits out some acidic fuckery that pisses your skin off harder than a toddler on a sugar crash. In response, your scalp panics like, oh fuck, fix it, and starts pumping out new skin cells at lightning speed. Way too fucking fast. Your old skin cells don't even get a chance to say goodbye. They just get yeeted off your scalp like flaky, crusty confetti. Boom! Snowstorm of dead shit. Congratulations, your head's basically a crusty-ass volcano spewing skin flakes because fungus decided to treat your scalp like its own personal cum dump. So if your shirt looks like someone sprinkled fucking Parmesan all over it every time you move, yeah, it's time to scrub your shit, wash your damn head, and maybe stop being a greasy little goblin. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. The difference between type 1 and type 2 fuck-ass diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is when your own dumbass immune system goes rogue and nukes the cells in your pancreas that make insulin. So now you don't make any insulin, which means your body can't regulate sugar for shit. You gotta inject it or use a pump, or your blood turns into molasses and everything starts fucking breaking down. And no, this one's not your fault. It's just your body being a traitorous little bitch. Type 2 diabetes is when your pancreas does make the damn insulin, but it either doesn't make enough or your body tells it to go fuck itself and ignores it. This one's more about lifestyle. Too much sitting on your ass, eating shit, and carrying extra weight can bring this fuckery to your body. Unlike type 1, you can actually prevent or delay this shit by getting off your fucking couch, moving your meat suit, and not living off donuts and fucking despair. 150 minutes of moving your ass a week and eating like you don't have a death wish can go a long fucking way. That's the difference. One's a betrayal, the other's mostly your dumbass fault. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your malfunctioning meat bag. What the fuck is Ozempic? Ozempic is just a fucking brand name for some shit called semaglutide, and it's probably the reason your rich-ass fat friend suddenly got skinny in a month. By the way, you fuckers wouldn't shut up about it, so I finally made it. PDF to Pickle. Now you can make anything a Dr. Pickle video. Drop your boring-ass PDF, your crusty voice memo, or your half-baked YouTube explainer from hell, and I'll break it down in terms even your smooth little peanut brain can comprehend. And because I already know you're a broke little goblin, your first video is on me, only on pdf-to-pickle.com. Now back to your regular scheduled programming. Semaglutide is a GLP-1 receptor agonist, which for you dumbasses watching, that means this shit tricks your body into thinking it's full. Originally designed for type 2 diabetes, this bad boy got rebranded as Wegovy for weight loss. Same shit, new name. Fuck-ass side effects include nausea, volcanic diarrhea, and if you quit, the weight might come back like a clingy ex with boundary issues. And now every fucking pharma company and their mother is scrambling to make their own version that's cheaper, smoother, or makes you shit your pants slightly less. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fuck is tinnitus? No, it's not a mosquito or your toxic ex whispering regrets. It's called fucking tinnitus. And it's when your ears decide to start playing a nonstop concert of roaring, buzzing, hissing, or clicking bullshit, all from inside your own damn skull. It might hit one ear, both ears, or just bounce around like a drunk fucking bee. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it disappears like your motivation to hit the goddamn gym. And that pitch could be low as hell and annoying, or high and absolutely fucking soul-shattering. Basically, your brain's audio system is glitching the fuck out, and it's not fun. But now you know. Follow Dr. Pickle to learn more about your fucked up body. What the fuck happens when you break your nose? You smash your face and boom, those tiny nasal bones shift the fuck out of place. Now you can't breathe and you look like you got your shit rocked in a bar fight. To fix it, a doctor has to gently, and by gently, I mean with just enough force to make you see God, shove the bones and cartilage back where they belong. Then they pack your nose full of gauze like it's a Thanksgiving turkey and slap a splint on it to hold your mangled beak in place while it heals. Congrats. You're now part mummy, part Picasso painting until that shit sets straight again. Follow Dr. Pickle to learn more about your busted ass body. What the fuck is sleep apnea? Sleep apnea is when your dumbass throat collapses like a folding chair the second you fall asleep. While you're awake, your throat muscles hold the piece of shit airway open. But when you fall asleep, the throat muscles pass out too, letting that shit close up tighter than your ex's fucking heart. Air barely squeezes through, making your soft palate vibrate like a dying lawnmower. That's snoring. But for some unlucky fucks, it closes completely, cutting off your damn air like it's trying to kill you in your sleep. Your brain goes, "What the fuck?" Panics, and wakes you up just long enough to stop dying. Then you do it all over again. Every damn night. That's obstructive sleep apnea. Fixes include slicing or blasting the floppy throat bits, or opening your airway so you can finally get some goddamn rest. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your broken-ass body. What the fuck is tennis elbow? Tennis elbow is when your dumbass keeps doing the same repetitive shit with your forearm until your tendons scream, "Fuck you!" Eventually, those tendons on the outside of your elbow get tiny-ass tears from all that strain, and boom, now your arm hurts like hell every time you try to act normal. So stop repeating the same bullshit movements, give your elbow a break, and maybe throw some ice on it before it files a restraining order. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fuck is MS? Multiple sclerosis is a chronic bitch-ass autoimmune disease that beats up your central nervous system like it owed it money. Nobody really even knows why. Could be your fucked up genes, could be the shitty air, or maybe God just sneezed in your direction. Either way, it's bullshit. It fucks with your whole body, leaves you tired as shit, muscles weak as fuck, vision blurry like you took acid in a funhouse, and balance so fucked you look drunk without the good part. And guess what? There's no magic cure. But you can manage this bitch. Move your damn body so it doesn't seize up like a busted lawnmower. Stop eating bullshit and maybe toss a veggie in your mouth. Take the goddamn meds your doctor gave you instead of listening to Becky's essential oil pyramid scheme. And for fuck's sake, learn how to chill. Stress makes this shit worse. MS is a heavy diagnosis, but it doesn't have to run your life. You can still fight back, stay strong, and live like the badass you are. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your beautifully broken body. You ever wonder why people get their tonsils removed? Because those flappy fuckwits in the back of your throat are supposed to stop germs, like tiny bouncers for your mouth, but sometimes they get pissed drunk on bacteria and start throwing tantrums in your esophagus. If you're always sick, choking on your own spit, or waking up sounding like a fucking diesel truck, the doc might say, "Yank 'em. These assholes gotta go." The upside? Most of you fucks don't need to. After puberty, your tonsils give up trying and just become weird little throat decorations, unless they're being a real pain in the neck. Literally. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fuck is ankylosing spondylitis? It's a chronic inflammatory ass disease that mainly attacks your spine, turning you into a stiff, creaky motherfucker over time. What's happening? Your immune system, instead of chilling out, decides to go full psycho and inflame the joints in your spine and pelvis. Over time, this inflammation can lead to the bones fusing together like some cursed-ass bone glue. Yeah, straight-up back cement. It also fucks with ligaments and tendons, those ropey bitches that help your bones move, turning them stiff and painful as hell. Doctors don't know exactly why it happens, but if your body's carrying the HLA-B27 gene, you might be genetically predisposed to this bullshit. So blame your DNA or your ancestors. You'll feel back pain, butt pain, and eventually walk around like a Minecraft character if you don't manage it. Follow Dr. Pickle for more on your malfunctioning meat machine. How the fuck does caffeine work? Most stimulants, they don't fuck around. They tear the floodgates wide open and let dopamine pour into your brain like a goddamn chemical orgy. Boom. Instant high. But caffeine, this sneaky little fucker, doesn't take the obvious route. Nah, it plays dirty. Instead of blasting dopamine like a crackhead at a rave, caffeine turns up the sensitivity on your dopamine receptors. That means your brain feels all hyped up and juiced without actually pumping out more dopamine. That's some Jedi mind trick bullshit right there. And here's where it gets even more fucked. Caffeine doesn't even touch your dopamine receptors. It's too slick for that. What it actually does is block this boring, sleepy-ass molecule called adenosine, the fucker responsible for making you feel tired. By choking out adenosine, caffeine rips the brakes off your dopamine system, letting your neurons fire off like a bunch of overcaffeinated ferrets with rocket boosters. So when you slam a coffee and feel like you could body slam a bear and file your taxes at the same time, that's caffeine, bitch. Doing what it does best, tricking your dumbass into feeling unstoppable. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your janky-ass body. What the fucking shit is acid reflux? Your body's got this little muscle ring called the lower esophageal sphincter, or LES for short, sitting right at the entrance to your stomach like a goddamn bouncer at the club. Normally, when you swallow food, this badass muscle slams shut to keep all that stomach acid where it fucking belongs. But if this lazy-ass sphincter doesn't close all the way, or if it decides to randomly open up like a dumbass, that stomach acid shoots back up your esophagus like a goddamn volcano. And boom, you're now experiencing hot lava burps, also known as heartburn or acid reflux. So if your chest is on fire like you just made out with a flamethrower, you can thank your weak-ass LES for letting that acid take a road trip up your throat. Moral of the story? Don't piss off your stomach. And if you do, well, enjoy the burn, bitch. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. How the fuck does an inhaler work? When your fucking lungs start acting like two pieces of shit, an inhaler blasts pressurized medicine, usually albuterol, straight down your throat into those bitch-ass airways that decided to clamp shut like a scared fucking turtle. The goddamn albuterol binds to beta-2 receptors on the muscles wrapped around your bronchial tubes and tells them to chill the fuck out. And boom, those tight airways open up so you can get a nice fat fucking breath of fresh air again. Follow Dr. Pickle to learn more about your malfunctioning meat sack of a body. What the fucking shit is a muscle knot? Stupid-ass muscle knots, also known as myofascial trigger points, are areas of tense, tight muscle fibers that can cause a fuck ton of pain. When these fuckers get touched, it can hurt like hell, even in other places on your fucked up body. Bastard-ass fucking muscle knots can be caused by being a lazy fucking bitch, overusing the fuck out of your muscles, stress, and dehydration. So calm the fuck down, drink some water, and stretch before you end up with a cramped-ass fucking jaw and can't go down on your partner for a month. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the actual fuck is Lyme disease? Fucking Lyme disease is caused by bacteria that usually comes from little bitch-ass deer ticks in North America. The bacteria moves down from the midgut to the goddamn salivary glands of the deer tick and enters the human skin while feeding. This fucker is about the size of a poppy seed and is a terrible friend, drinking your fucking blood and giving you back a bacterial infection. This fucking piece of shit bacteria is called Borrelia burgdorferi, and it is a spirochete, a very unusual type of bacteria. This fucking fuck-ass shit will usually enter the bloodstream through small blood vessels and spread to other fuck-ass parts of the body. If your dumbass got Lyme disease, you'd experience muscle and joint pain, and if it reaches the heart, it can lower your heart rate and even cause goddamn palpitations. Make sure you check your ass crack for these fucking ticks because Lyme disease is no joke. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fuck is carpal tunnel? All right, listen up, you stiff-wristed dumbass. Carpal tunnel syndrome happens when the median nerve in your weak-ass arm gets pinched or squeezed at the wrist like a sad little garden hose. Why does this happen? Because you either injured yourself, did the same repetitive wrist movement for years, or you're just fucking old and overweight. Hate to break it to you. The symptoms? Weakness, shitty dexterity, numb fingers, and stupid-ass wrist pain. Here's what you need to do. Fix your damn posture, stretch your stiff-ass wrists, and maybe stop treating your hand like a piece of fucking shit before you end up needing surgery. Follow Dr. Pickle to learn more about your fucked up body. How the fuck do they replace your hip? First, a goddamn surgeon slices your ass open like a goddamn Thanksgiving turkey, exposing the joint. Hope you didn't have lunch because shit's about to get gnarly. Then this absolute maniac of a doctor removes all the busted ass cartilage, rips out the labrum like it's a goddamn eviction notice, and saws off the fucking bone from your ball and socket like a medieval torture scene. Now here's where shit gets wild. This motherfucker hammers a fake ass ball into your socket, jams a cup into your femur, and secures the whole contraption like a goddamn IKEA chair with better instructions. Then they stitch your shit back together, slap a hospital bill on your ass bigger than your mortgage, and send you hobbling home with a brand new fucking hip. Congrats, you're part cyborg now. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. How does fucking smoking fucking fuck your lungs up? With around 6,000 goddamn chemicals entering your fuck-ass lungs in each puff you take, the inhaled smoke enters the body and spreads all this bullshit through your bloodstream. Smoking dumbass fucking cigarettes also releases carbon monoxide, a piece of shit gas that displaces oxygen in your fucking blood and deprives your organs of the oxygen they require. Among the multitude of fucking cancers this shit can give you, it can also cause COPD, cardiovascular diseases, and erectile dysfunction. So if you don't want to end up with a tumor and a limp noodle, don't fucking smoke. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the actual shit is muscle memory? When fucking muscle fibers expand, stem cells multiply and combine with the goddamn fibers that are already fucking present to generate more volume in the dumbass muscle cells. When you work out these fucking muscles, it results in the addition of new nuclei to the cells. As you keep fucking training, more and more nuclei fuckers will be transferred to your fucking cells, allowing your muscles to remember the process, even if you're a lazy bitch sometimes and take an extended break from the exercise. That's why when you start training again, you bounce back faster than a crackhead chasing a loose bill. This is called muscle memory. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. How the fuck does a goddamn fetus grow? At first, a fertilized fucking egg develops a fucking sac for the baby. Around this point, this little fucker starts opening and closing its lips and fists like it wants to fucking fight. Now its goddamn nervous system is working, and it starts growing a pecker. Or, the other one. At this point, you should feel the little bitch moving around like a worm. You probably didn't think about the fact that this fucking thing has developed with its eyes sealed shut, but they should be open now. The weird-ass little fetus will continue to grow inside the woman, leeching off of her like a fucking parasite. The fetus can hear you fully now, so watch your goddamn piece of shit cunt-ass fucking mouth. Right now, this motherfucker's brain is developing at a rate faster than you will ever do anything in your fucking life, you idiot. As this bastard fucking child is getting ready to come out and party, it might shift positions like a goddamn breakdancer and eventually settles into your pelvis, ready to potentially rip its mother's vagina down to her butthole. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the actual shit is muscle memory? When fucking muscle fibers expand, stem cells multiply and combine with the goddamn fibers that are already fucking present to generate more volume in the dumbass muscle cells. When you work out these fucking muscles, it results in the addition of new nuclei to the cells. As you keep fucking training, more and more nuclei fuckers will be transferred to your fucking cells, allowing your muscles to remember the process, even if you're a lazy bitch sometimes and take an extended break from the exercise. That's why when you start training again, you bounce back faster than a crackhead chasing a loose bill. This is called muscle memory. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fuck is a distal bicep rupture? A bitch-ass distal bicep rupture occurs when the fucking tendon attaching your bicep to your elbow gets fucking ripped the fuck off the fucking bone. This shit usually happens to men having midlife crisis, lifting heavy-ass weights and fucking their shit up. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy. To repair this bitch, doctors locate the end of the fucking tendon and remove any damaged piece of bitch-ass tissue. They then drill a motherfucking hole in your radius bone and shape your fucking tendon to fit in your armhole. They connect some string with a little fucking button on it to the tendon and then pass through the hole so it gets stuck on the other side of your fucking armhole and anchors the tendon into place. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fuck is a skin graft? When you fucking burn the absolute fuck out of yourself, a doctor will scrape your dead fucking skin off and then cut off a slice of healthy skin from another part of the body like you're some sort of fucking ham or something. They stitch the new fucking skin over top of the burned area where a process called revascularization uses the wound bed's fucking blood supply to create new blood vessels and stay alive. It's fucking crazy what the human body can do, so be goddamn fucking glad you have one. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your crazy ass body. What the fuck is IBS? Fucking irritable bowel syndrome is a gastrointestinal disorder involving goddamn abdominal pain, bloating, gas, and changes in your bowel's bitch-ass habits. While the exact fucking cause of it is unknown, it is believed to be related to a combination of factors such as fucking gut-brain interaction, food sensitivity, bacteria, stress, and genetics. Some different ways you can treat it include hoe-ass dietary changes, stress management, and probiotics. Now everyone knows hot girls have IBS, but please turn the fan on if you're blowing up the goddamn toilet. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fucking shit is a hernia? A goddamn hernia happens when there is a weakness in the bitch-ass abdominal muscle. This can lead to a widening fucking gap where portions of your fucking intestine can get stuck. Over time, your herniated fucking intestine can become larger and start to twist, cutting off blood supply like a kink in a goddamn water hose. The only way you can fix this bullshit is with surgery. The fucking surgery will reduce the hernia and restore function to the fuck-ass muscle layer. Then the bastard fucking doctor closes the muscle gap to prevent hernias from recurring, oftentimes using a mesh to make that bitch stronger. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fuck-ass body. What the fuck is a shitty-ass heart attack? Your heart is a needy little bastard. It needs oxygen 24/7, and if the blood flow carrying that oxygen slows down or stops, boom, you got yourself a heart attack. Why? Because your arteries get clogged up with nasty-ass plaque, like gunk in a shitty old pipe. That shit's called atherosclerosis, and if that plaque ever cracks open, your blood tries to fix it by forming a clot, except that clot can completely shut off blood flow, and now your heart is choking out like a fish on land. Next thing you know, you're on the floor clutching your chest. Please look into what makes a heart-healthy fucking lifestyle so this fucking shit doesn't happen to you. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the actual fuck is hemorrhoidoplasty? Hemorrhoids are inflamed little fucking veins in the lower rectum and anus. When conservative measures fail, the swollen-ass patient is typically given a local anesthetic before a thin fucking laser probe is inserted into the butt barnacle. Fucking laser beams are utilized to induce the blood vessels that created the hemorrhoid to fuck off and be destroyed. As a result, that bitch will gradually diminish and go away. God damn, this shit is fucked. Please eat fucking fiber and quit pushing so hard you're not in fucking labor, you fucking dickhead. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fucking shit is a tracheotomy? When your goddamn breathing is obstructed by some bullshit and you're about to die, a fuck-ass doctor makes a small fucking incision in your fucking neck. They then jam a fucking tube into the windpipe, bypassing the blockage and allowing your dumbass to get oxygen. This shit would be fucked as absolute hell, but could save your life in a shitty-ass situation. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the actual fuck is hemorrhoidoplasty? Hemorrhoids are inflamed little fucking veins in the lower rectum and anus. When conservative measures fail, the swollen-ass patient is typically given a local anesthetic before a thin fucking laser probe is inserted into the butt barnacle. Fucking laser beams are utilized to induce the blood vessels that created the hemorrhoid to fuck off and be destroyed. As a result, that bitch will gradually diminish and go away. God damn, this shit is fucked. Please eat fucking fiber and quit pushing so hard you're not in fucking labor, you fucking dickhead. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. How the fuck does fasting fucking work? When you fast, your fucking insulin levels drop due to a delay in goddamn fuel and glucose. As a result, the body uses extra glucose stored in fucking fat-ass fat cells instead of food to get its fuel and keep you moving. These fat fucking cells get burned up in the process, ultimately resulting in the body shedding a few pounds. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. How the shit do steroids fucking work? When you take fucking steroids, they travel to various organs and muscles, making cells produce more proteins that can absolutely fuck you up. This shit can give you fucking liver cancer and peliosis hepatis, which manifests as fucking cysts. Fucking steroids are also terrible for your heart, and overuse can give you atherosclerosis, which is a condition where fat deposits inside your fucking arteries disrupt blood flow. And that bullshit can result in a heart attack or motherfucking stroke. If you want to look like Mr. fucking Olympia, please do it responsibly. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fuck is pneumonia? Pneumonia is a gnarly ass infection that wrecks one or both of your lungs, caused by bacteria, viruses, or even some fucking freaky ass fungi. Your lung air sacs get pissed off, inflamed, and filled with liquid, mucus, or straight up pus, making breathing feel like sucking air through a clogged fucking straw. If you're smart and you go to your goddamn doctor, they most likely will give you antibiotics for bacterial pneumonia, antiviral medication for viral pneumonia, or antifungal medication for fungal pneumonia. Whatever type of fucking pneumonia you have, just make sure you take care of that shit, or you can end up an unalive fuck. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the actual fucking shit is a thyroid gland? The bitch-ass thyroid produces two primary hormones, thyroxine and fucking triiodothyronine, which control metabolism, growth, fucking heart rate, and body temperature, among other things. With an underactive piece of fuck thyroid, you can experience fatigue, weight gain, and the inability to shit. With a overactive piece of fuck thyroid, you can experience weight loss, thinning hair, and the inability to not shit your brains out. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. How do they repair your fucking rotator cuff? A fucking mini open repair is performed through a tiny ass incision, and a lot of the time involves the use of arthroscopy, where they shove a tiny fucking camera in your damn body to address the goddamn damage. Fucking bone spurs are removed arthroscopically as well. That way they don't have to separate the bitch-ass deltoid muscle. Then the rich fucking dumbass surgeon repairs the fucking rotator cuff by reattaching torn tendons to the bone through the original incision. Don't fuck your rotator cuff up, or you could end up wiping your ass with your non-dominant hand for 6 to 12 months while you recover. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fuck is Crohn's disease? Fucking Crohn's disease is a shitty type of inflammatory bowel disease that causes chronic inflammation in the bitch-ass digestive tract, most commonly affecting the small intestine and goddamn colon. This never-ending shitstorm of inflammation can leave you doubled over in pain, glued to the toilet with liquid regret, dropping weight like a bad habit, and completely starved of the nutrients your dumbass body refuses to absorb. The exact triggers of fucking Crohn's disease are unknown, but dysbiosis of intestinal microbes, or in simple terms, your gut bacteria going apeshit, is believed to play a role. Crohn's disease is considered an autoimmune condition because your body's amazing but sometimes fucking stupid immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys healthy cells as if they're the goddamn enemy. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fuck is fucking vomit? Goddamn vomiting is the involuntary, forceful expulsion of the nasty bullshit in your stomach through the mouth. Your smooth-ass brain tells your body to vomit as a protective mechanism to get rid of anything that might be fucking you up at the time. Fucking vomiting occurs when the nervous system triggers a coordinated fucking muscular contraction in the stomach and diaphragm, making that shit blast out of your body like that little exorcist bitch. Although it fucking sucks, vomiting is one of your body's kick-ass defenses against different types of bitchy fucking bacteria, infections, allergens, fucked up food, and whatever else your body says fuck you to. So vomit with your friends, vomit out of your car window. Just get that shit out of your fucking stomach, you fuck. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. What the fucking fuck are kidney stones? Bitch-ass kidney stones are little salt and mineral deposits that decide your kidneys are a great place to throw a fucking house party. Any part of your goddamn urinary tract, including your kidneys, bladder, and even your poor, unsuspecting urethra, can get absolutely wrecked by these rock-hard assholes. When your piss is more concentrated than a college kid cramming for finals, minerals start to crystallize and clump the fuck together like an angry mob. Congratulations, your kidneys just gave birth to a jagged little demon. Ask anybody. Kidney stones hurt like a motherfucker. It's like pissing out a Lego, except the Lego is made of pure suffering. Your options? You either drink enough water to flood a small village and hope you pass that bastard, or you let a doctor go in and evict it like a fucking squatter who refuses to leave. Either way, it's a shitty time. Follow Dr. Pickle for more about your fucked up body. This is how a fucking period works, you fucker. First, the pituitary fucking gland releases a hormone called FSH, which goes to the fucking ovary, making an egg mature until that fucker leaves home and gets released into the fucking fallopian tube, which I'm sure some of you have heard a horny woman talk about fucking ovulation, right? Fucking estrogen is released and it beefs up the goddamn uterine wall, getting the body ready for a cream pie. If our little fucking egg friend doesn't get fertilized, it unalives itself and leave the fucking body through the vagina, resulting in what you know as a period. Follow Dr. Pickle for more info about your beautiful body.